Hey guys, what's up? This is me Chandana and you are watching Roshan and Chandana Lifestyle. First of all, congratulations to all expectant mothers and newborn parents. I know you're going through the best phase of your life. जब भी newborn babies आती है, it brings lots of responsibilities. And taking care of newborn, especially your first time mommy, is really challenging. Newborn babies needs lot of attention and care, and taking care of newborn baby is equal responsibility of both parents, and this will help your journey to become easier and you can enjoy the most of it. जब भी मैं नर्सरी जाती थी फॉर फीडिंग माई बेबी, एट दैट टाइम आई वाज नॉट एबल टू हैंडल हर प्रॉपरली बिकॉज बेबी का नेक बहुत ही ज़्यादा डेलिकेट रहता, उन्हें प्रॉपर नेक सपोर्ट चाहिए होता. I was scared like if baby cries, what should I do? I was thinking lot before taking her to her home. I think सारे newborn parents के mind में ये worry हमेशा रहता है. Now my baby is 5 months old, and in this time I have also faced lot of sleepless night. Baby becomes cranky. I have also faced lot of challenges before, but now gradually I have learned how to take care of newborn baby properly. So in this video I'm going to share all the tips and tricks that help me to overcome all these challenges. So if you are newborn parents or expected mother, this video is for you. Let's get started. Now I'm going to share 10 tips and tricks which will help you to take care of newborn baby in a better way. First point is feeding. So whenever baby cries, पेरेंट्स के माइंड में सबसे पहला चीज यही आता है, इज माई बेबी इज हंग्री? नो नो नो, क्राइंग ऑलवेज डजंट मीन दैट बेबी इज हंग्री. Baby might be crying because she is uncomfortable. Maybe baby is feeling hot or cold. So you have to check, remove the blanket and check whether baby is comfortable or not. And sometimes just we need to take out to get some fresh air. Baby एक ही जगह पे सोए से sometimes they get bored. So you have to take her outside to get some fresh air. When they see outside some light, they feel better. So carry her and roam here and there. They feel better in that way. Especially my baby, she doesn't like to sleep always. So I need to carry her sometime and just take her outside. So you need to check this thing also. Coming to feeding, baby need to feed 8 to 12 times in a day. And in an interval of 3 to 4 hours, you need to feed the baby. Sometimes if the baby is sleepy, you need to get her up and then feed the baby. So you have to feed the baby on demand, but if baby is sleeping more than 3 hours, you need to get her up and feed the baby. Whenever you feed the baby, it's very important to burp the baby. Burping is very necessary for baby. You need to burp the baby every time you need to feed the baby. If you don't burp the baby may split out, may vomit. It's very necessary to burp every time after the feed. हमेशा worried रहती है whether the baby is getting proper feed or not. So to check whether the baby is getting proper feed or not, you need to see whether the baby is passing 8 to 10 times urine in a day. And you should also monitor baby weight. If the baby weight is increasing every week, maybe some 300 to 400 gram, whatever the ideal weight, whether it's reaching or not. So if the baby's weight is proper, if the baby is passing proper poo and pee, it means the baby is getting proper feed. The next point, diaper. तो हम जब भी कोई डायपर सिलेक्ट करते हैं, we should keep in mind that diaper is safe in for baby skin. Should be chemical free, so that it doesn't causes any rashes. And we should always change a diaper in every 5 to 6 hours. You should not keep diaper more than 5 to 6 hours. And we should try to give some diaper free time also to baby. And now coming to the next topic is hygiene. Maintaining hygiene of newborn baby is very necessary because babies are very prone to microorganisms. The hygiene part, the first thing is sanitizer. You should always use sanitizer from the day one because बहुत सारे माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म हमारे हैंड्स में रहते हैं जो कि हम डायरेक्टली टच करते हैं बेबी को, वो कॉन्टैक्ट्स में आ जाते हैं माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म. तो फर्स्ट थिंग, हमेशा हैंड्स क्लीन रखना चाहिए हमारा. We should always hand wash or use sanitizer. We should keep all the baby clothes and products neat and clean. We should give proper sponge baths to newborn babies. In the newborn stage, when umbilical cord is still attached to the baby, you should clean it regularly. Most of the doctor prescribe medicine, so you have to use that medicine with the help of cotton. You should clean the umbilical cord daily. If you see any pus or any blood coming out from the umbilical cord, you should definitely reach to your doctor. And one more thing, if you're bottle feeding your baby, you should take a good care of the bottles which you're using. If you're using plastic bottle, it should be well sanitized. It should be cleaned properly. It should be well sanitized. And if you are using bottle feed, you should take care that it should not be left over for more than 1 hour. If it is more than 1 hour, then you should not use that milk. You should take care of hygiene very properly for baby. Most of the diseases are caused due to improper hygiene to a newborn. So don't do any negligence in this. Coming to the next point is bonding and soothing. So it's very important that the newborn babies start developing good bond with both parents. Most of the time, mommies only take care of the babies and father will be busy on other work. But it's the equal responsibility of both parents to develop good bond from the initial stage only. So both parents should develop bond with a newborn. Newborn babies start recognizing the parents' voice from the initial stage only. So parents should give skin to skin. They can sing for the baby. They can talk to the baby. Parents can do eye contact with baby. So this will help to develop a good bonding between the parents. Coming to the next most important topic is vaccination. Vaccination plays very integral role for baby development. Vaccination helps baby to immunize from various diseases. So it's very necessary to provide all the vaccination timely. Whether you go for government or private, whether you go for painless or pain vaccination, choose any vaccination you want, but it's very necessary to provide timely vaccination. So you should track the vaccination card very carefully. Next important part is neck support. When I became mommy, मुझे भी ये नहीं आती थी कि बेबी को, न्यूबॉर्न बेबी को कैसे हैंडल करते हैं, कैसे उनको प्रॉपर नेक सपोर्ट देते हैं. तो मैं भी जब नर्सरी जाती थी, मुझे भी सेम प्रॉब्लम होता था. जो भी नर्स जैसे मुझे पकड़ा देती थी, मैं वैसे ही पकड़ के रह जाती थी. मुझे भी थोड़ा भी इधर उधर करने नहीं आता था इनिशियल टाइम. Later, slowly, I learned how to carry the baby with proper neck support. For neck support, babies को देना बहुत जरूरी है. Next part is massage. Massaging a newborn baby is also very necessary. I have started massaging my newborn baby after 2 weeks. So doctor has suggested not to massage for initial 2 weeks. After that, I have started massaging. So massaging, you can use coconut oil. Coconut oil is the best for baby, and you should not use mustard oil for baby, as the baby's skin is very sensitive. Mustard oil causes irritations to baby skin. So you should never use mustard oil. अब try कीजिए कि coconut oil use करें, is the best for baby. Babies proper relax हो जाती है and they feel better. Coming to the baby products. Baby product जो भी use करते हैं, you should see whether they are chemical free or not. So जो भी product आप use करें, they should be chemical free and it should be safe for baby skin. I have made a separate video on newborn essential, so you can go and check it out. There is a complete list on all the product you need for newborn. This will definitely help you. So whichever product you choose, you should see the ingredients. You should check your pediatrician also if you have any doubt. तो अब बिना इंग्रेडिएंट्स दिए कोई भी प्रोडक्ट मत अप्लाई कीजिए एंड ट्राई टू यूज एज मिनिमल प्रोडक्ट एज पॉसिबल. Coming to the last point is tummy time. After 2 weeks, you can start giving tummy time to your baby. Tummy time बहुत ही बेनिफिशियल होता है नेक सपोर्ट के लिए. टमी टाइम बहुत ही बेनिफिशियल होता है उनका नेक स्टेबलाइज करने के लिए. उनका नेक जल्दी स्टेबलाइज हो जाता है इफ यू आर गिविंग प्रॉपर टमी टाइम. आफ्टर 15 डेज टमी टाइम दे सकते हैं. तो टमी टाइम ट्राई स्टार्ट कीजिए फ्रॉम 10 to 15 minutes. देन लेटर यू कैन इंक्रीज द टमी टाइम. तो टमी टाइम बहुत ही अच्छा बेनिफिशियल रहता है नेक स्टेबलाइज करने के लिए. सो यू कैन गिव टमी टाइम टू योर बेबी. Based on my experience, I have shared all the tips and tricks. I hope it will be helpful for you. You can try it out. If you have any doubt regarding newborn care, you can reach your pediatrician. You can ask whatever queries you have. Take pediatrician help. They will help you in a better way. I will be making more videos on baby care. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel. Till then, take care. Bye bye.